Welcome to our video on setting SMART goals for leadership development. In this video, we will explore the concept of SMART goals and discuss how they can be applied in the context of leadership development. We'll provide valuable insights and practical tips to help you set and achieve your leadership goals effectively. Before we dive into setting SMART goals for leadership development, let's first understand what SMART goals actually mean. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These criteria help to ensure that goals are clear, actionable, and can be realistically achieved within a set time frame. To set SMART goals for leadership development, it is essential to begin by identifying the specific areas you want to focus on. Consider the skills, knowledge, and competencies that are important for your growth as a leader. Are you looking to improve your communication skills, enhance your decision-making abilities, or develop your emotional intelligence? By identifying these areas, you can create goals that are aligned with your unique leadership development needs. One vital aspect of SMART goals is ensuring they are measurable. This means being able to track progress and evaluate results effectively. For leadership development goals, you can make them measurable by defining specific metrics or milestones. For example, if your goal is to enhance your communication skills, you can set measurable targets such as delivering presentations to larger audiences or receiving positive feedback from team members. Setting achievable and relevant goals is crucial for effective leadership development. When setting goals, consider the resources, time, and effort required to achieve them. Are they realistic and in line with your current responsibilities and circumstances? Additionally, ensure that your goals are relevant to your overall leadership development objectives. They should directly contribute to your growth and align with your long-term aspirations. Lastly, it is important to set time-bound goals for leadership development. This provides a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused and motivated. Establish deadlines or target dates for achieving your goals. By having a time frame, you can prioritize your actions, allocate resources effectively, and track your progress along the way. Congratulations! You now have a deeper understanding of setting SMART goals for leadership development. Remember, by following the SMART criteria, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you can effectively plan your leadership development journey and achieve your desired growth. Start setting your SMART goals today and unlock your full leadership potential.